Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to log into the Temu app quickly and securely. Start by tapping on your Temu app icon on your phone. Now tap on the U icon at the bottom. And here tap sign in/register button. And here you will now see several options to log in. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, your email address or your phone number. If using email, type your email address and password, then tap continue. For phone, enter your phone number and input the verification code sent to your SMS. If you're using Google or Apple to log in, just tap to auto login using your credentials. For now, we are going with our email address. Here, enter your email address and your password. Once done, tap sign in. You might get a quick verification challenge like tapping images or a verification code. Complete it and you're logged in. And that's it. You are logged into Temu and ready to browse deals. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and tell me in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.